where I got to. So this is where I'm at. You could join them two there. Straight into the 45. Oh, 45, straight. 45. I'm just going to chop that there, tack them all together, and then time to get it fully welded. So we're back up at HQ. Exhaust is done. Had to get under there and fit it now. It's on there. Just sorting out the back box. I made a little boo-boo at work today. See, I made a little bit of a boo-boo at work. I put the tripod on the wrong way. So now she's twisted a little bit.
A few moments later.
So, I decided to cut it. Reason was, when I went to mount my steering column, it wouldn't go in, because where the exhaust ended up at the back over to the left brought it too close, brought my downpipe too close to the, I have to fix this bit. I've got a 45 over there that I'm going to use, probably just cut a pie cut out of it and then put it in. I'm just going to clean it up now and then yeah, start mocking it back up again. Yeah, it's going to sit up a little bit higher. It's basically a straight piece. Don't know why I've done all that other shit before. All that poking at this thing. So yeah, that's the gap I've got to fill. I can sit in there, up a little bit higher, bow, done. Steering column's on. Okay, finally. And the wheels again. Lovely. The roof is done. Don't watch that bit, I just migged it in because, yeah, can't get into James's next door and I ain't got no bargain for my welder, so yeah, but it's done now. I'm just gonna wait for it to cool down and then yeah, slap it on. That's it, done. Like done. Steering columns in the right place, like everything done. Lovely. On to the next thing. I'll get some better pictures when I've got it on the ramp for the last little nut and bolt check, but yeah man, perfect with it now, where it sits. For my first system, I think it's not too bad. That's the exhaust done, all the way back from the turbo. I'm gonna add a couple more pie cuts to that. I can cover it just a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Done. On to the next thing. Chop the rear bumper so it fits around the wheels. I'm sagging a bit in the middle, so I'm gonna have to weld a little bracket or some kind of supporting bracket off the rear jacking bar to have it sitting where I want it. Get a quick thing. Nothing too spectacular, just something simple. But yeah, I'm feeling this view, man. With the exhaust pipe and that. Yeah. Need to red off my other light. But yeah, man, it's forwarding. We're forwarding, man.